he feels like he should make a play on every ball that's hit. He'll gradually learn, and he'll get to know Ramos Ramirez's range in third. He'll get to know Ryan Terrio's range in second. He'll get to know Soriano's range and Bird in the outfield.